welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be making my birthday cake for customer. I'm 6 years old. Yay! I'm so excited, guys. I'm going to be making my vanilla sponge cake. So let's get started. For our ingredients, we have flour, milk, sugar, egg, butter, and vanilla. Okay, so now I'm going to put my butter, okay? Now I finish with my butter, I'm going to be using my sugar. So is the milk that I'm going to put. I'm going to put a lot of milk. Now I'm done with the milk. I'll be adding my egg. What? Now I'm going to cover it. So now I'm going to mix it. Now I'm going to be adding my flour. Baking powder, so I'm going to put it. I'm going to put 6 drops of vanilla.